Hello friends, today we will discuss India's journey to a $5 trillion economy. Is it possible? Can India become a $5 trillion economy by 2027? India's $5 trillion dream become a $5 trillion economy very soon. But is the dream realistic? What do you say? Or just a political hype? Is it? We will break down the facts, numbers, and real challenges to see whether India can achieve this huge goal. Current economic position. India's current GDP stands at approximately $3.7 trillion in 2025. India is the fifth largest economy globally, ahead of UK and France. Fastest growing large economy with around 6.6 to 7% annual growth. Major contributors of Indian economy are service sector, which contributes 54%, industry contributes 26%, agriculture 20%. So it is shown by a pie chart of sector contributions and graphs of GDP growth. Government initiatives to boost economy. Make in India is first initiative boosting manufacturing and exports. Digital India is the second initiative expanding internet and fintech reach. PM Gati Shakti, infrastructure development for logistics and transport. PLI, production linked incentives schemes. Incentives to manufacturing, Startup India and MSME support, generating new jobs and innovations. Push for renewable energy and green economy. Key challenges to achieve the $5 trillion goal which India faces are unemployment, youth joblessness remains high, rural distress, farmers' income, and agriculture growth are still low. Global factors, geopolitical tensions, oil prices, wars, currency volatility, etc., are causing hindrance to achieve the goal. Income inequality, gap between rich and poor is continuously widening. Low female workforce participation, hindrance in inclusive growth. We can say that India has a strong potential, but achieving the $5 trillion mark depends on consistent reforms, global stability, and inclusive policies. So, what do you think? Can India achieve this target by 2027? If yes, please comment, please like and subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.